It all began with a mother's instinct to protect, to nurture, to love. When I couldn't find the right products for my baby, I knew it was my calling to create something pure, something I could trust with all my heart. Our mission is simple: to bring affordable luxury into every home, infusing daily life with the healing power of natural remedies. For over 13 years, we've stayed true to that promise. Handmade, plant-based, sustainable, crafted with love, trust, and purpose. Together, we are not just building skincare, we are nurturing a kindness community and a greener tomorrow. This is what drives our brand promise, Kind Beauty, powered by nature, inspired by kindness. Because true beauty is kind, inside and out.